Assalam. How are you, Bingley?
I'm fine, thank you. How are you?
Alhamdulillah, I'm fine too. Have you gone to school today?
Yes,
What have you learned from school?
a very beautiful rhyme.
Can you tell me the rhyme?
Early to bed, early to rise, makes a man healthy, early and wise.
Very good. Nice rhyme, Bingley.
Thank you.
Have you understood?
Yes,
You have understood this rhyme.
yes, সকালবেলা ঘুম থেকে উঠতে হবে, তাড়াতাড়ি ঘুমাতে হবে.
Very good. Can you wake up in the morning?
Yes, I can wake up in the morning.
Very good. And what do you do in the morning?
I take my breakfast, then brush my teeth.
What do you take in breakfast? What do you eat, Bingley?
I like chicken fry, noodles.
Okay, Bingley, I'm so happy to know that you take your breakfast. You must not eat chicken fry in breakfast.
Then what should I eat?
Okay, you should eat boiled egg. Do you like boiled egg?
No,
Why don't you like boiled egg?
I like chicken fry.
Eating chicken fry every day is not good for you, Bingley. Do you like fruits?
Yes, I like fruit.
Then you can eat fruits, you can eat vegetables.
Okay, I'll eat boiled egg every day.
You will eat boiled egg every day and you will also eat fruits and vegetables because I know that most of the time you don't want to eat vegetables. Now promise me every day you will eat vegetables and fruits.
Okay.
After taking breakfast, you brush your teeth. That's why your teeth are very nice. Can I see your teeth? Good. And do you know that we must brush our teeth twice a day?
Yes, I know. And I do. I brush my teeth after taking breakfast and I brush my teeth before going to sleep at night.
Very good, Bingley. I understand you are an intelligent boy. Good. Now tell me, what do you do after coming from school?
After coming from school, I watch TV.
Do you watch TV every day?
Yes, I like cartoon and I also play game in mobile.
You watch TV, you play game in mobile, but after coming from school, what should you do? Tell me.
I should take shower.
But I know you don't take your shower sometimes. I know that most of the time you just watch laptop, you just watch the cartoon. I have seen your picture.
What picture?
I have seen your picture and I have understood most of the time you watch only cartoon. Now do you want to see that picture?
Yes.
Okay, now see now.
Oh.
So what is it? That's why you don't take shower properly. You don't take your lunch properly.
Sometimes I forget.
Now tell me, what should you do after coming from school?
I should take shower.
And you must not play any game in mobile. Don't play any game in mobile, Baba. Never play. Why are you getting upset?
What should I do?
Okay, I'm telling you. Just wait. You can take your shower, you can take your lunch, then you can take rest, right?
I take rest every day.
Okay, after taking rest, you can go outside, you can play with your friends, you can draw picture,
I can draw picture.
you can make this type of card, you can draw this type of picture.
Wow.
And you can also read some nice storybooks.
Wow, nice books.
I think sometimes you should take exercise. So,
I can do exercise also.
yes, you can do exercise, I know. So, sometimes you can jump, you can move your body, you can run, you can swim, right?
I can swim.
Good, Bingley. And what you should not do?
I should not play games in mobile. I should take shower every day.
Very good. Then everyone will tell Bingley is a very good boy.
Billy is a very good boy.
Yes. But you don't arrange your books, your copies.
I forget to arrange.
You watch TV for a long time. That's why you forget everything. You forget taking shower. You forget arranging your books. So nowadays you don't watch TV for a long time. Okay?
Okay.
You can watch TV for short time. Then you can arrange your books and copies. So now tell me, what will you do from tomorrow?
I'll wake up early in the morning and then take my breakfast and then brush my teeth and then I'll go to school.
Very good. And after coming from school?
I will take shower and take rest. No. I'll take my shower, then I will take my lunch.
And then you can play.
I can play.
But is it in mobile?
No, I will not play game in mobile.
Very good. And what can you do?
I will play outside with my friends. I can draw picture. I can make cards.
Yes, you can make cards, you can draw picture, you can color, you can read funny story books, right? And after taking dinner,
I'll brush my teeth.
then
Go to bed.
yes, then it will be early to bed
Early to rise
makes a man
makes a man
healthy, wealthy and wise. Very good. Bye, Bingley.
Bye.